In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Roblox theme using Stylish. For this, go to Stylish and click on Create New Style, and then click on Create New Style here and click Create Web Style. And here you can fill out this form, the name, description and additional info and the CSS, or either you can go to Stylish and then select a theme, any of the theme from Stylish, and go to the CSS code of that theme by clicking on Show CSS button. From here, select this whole code by scrolling it, copy it, and then go back to the Create Your Own Style page. Click on its style name and give it a name. The URL is optional and description you have to give. So I'll write just nothing special, and you have to paste the CSS code that we just copied from that theme here and search for background URL in this code. So go down to this code, scroll down and search for background URL. So here we can see there's a background attachment, and under that we can see site it came from background URL and the link to the site. So we'll have to copy this URL and click on backspace, erase it, and search for any image that you want to add on your own Roblox theme, any image or GIF. So I'm searching Full Metal Alchemist. So here's the image. I'll have to copy the link for this image. Right click and click on copy image link, or open it in another tab and then copy the image link from here. Go back to the designing page on Stylish, and here paste the URL that we just copied from that image here after background image URL, and we'll have to upload a thumbnail too. So scroll down and click on this plus button and select an image and click on Save and Publish Your Style. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes for uploading that image or GIF that we just customized on our theme. Click on Save and Publish Your Style and wait for 5 minutes. It will apply to your Roblox site. So that's how we can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.